Hello, my name is Luca, and today we're going to talk about CTL Pro Redundancy. Redundancy allows you to set up a backup CTL unit to take over if the main unit fails. You'll need two CTL Pro units, one as the main and the other as the backup. Both units will share the same virtual IP address. And then if the main unit goes offline, the backup takes over within a minute, ensuring uninterrupted operation. So first, we need to prepare. Number 1, connect both CTL Pro units. Number 2, ensure that each unit has its own unique AV IP address and they need to be on the same range. Number 3, if you're using the control port, make sure each unit has its own control IP address. Okay, now we can set up redundancy. First, open the web UI of the unit you want to define as the main one and navigate to the Controller tab. Scroll down to the Controller Redundancy section and enable Active Redundancy. Set a virtual AV IP address that is different from the IP addresses of both CTL Pro units, but in the same range. For example, if the AV port of the first CTL is 192.168.10.10, and on the second it's 192.168.10.20, the virtual address could be 192.168.10.100. If you are not using control port, leave the virtual control IP address empty. And if you are using it, set a new virtual control IP address that is different from the IP addresses of both CTL units. Select the backup unit from the drop-down menu and click Apply and Reboot. After this whole setup, you will access the CTL Pro using the new shared virtual IP. If the main unit fails, the backup unit will also use the same virtual IP. Here are some additional notes. After the switchover, if the main unit comes back online, it will not automatically take over from the backup unit. It will only take control if the backup unit goes offline. The switchover takes approximately 1 minute, during which the web UI will not be available. Data is synchronized between the main and the backup unit every 5 minutes. This was a quick tutorial on CTL redundancy. Thank you for watching.